In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your WooCommerce version. WooCommerce, as you may already know, is a powerful and flexible e-commerce solution for WordPress. Regular updates are essential to ensure your store remains secure, efficient, and equipped with the latest features. So let's dive into the process of updating WooCommerce. To begin, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. You'll find this crucial area where you manage your website's features and functionalities. Once you're in the dashboard, look on the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll see a menu filled with different options. Here, you'll want to click on Plugins. This is the section that houses all the extensions you have installed to enhance your WordPress site, including WooCommerce. After selecting Plugins, you'll be taken to a page titled Installed Plugins. This is the home for all the plugins currently active or inactive on your WordPress site. It's neatly organized, allowing you to easily locate each plugin. Now take a moment to scroll through the list here. What you're looking for is WooCommerce. Once you find WooCommerce in this list, you will want to check if there's an update available. This will typically be indicated next to the plugin name, where it might say Update Available or something similar. If an update is indeed available, fantastic. You'll see a button labeled Update Now appear next to WooCommerce. Simply click this button, and WordPress will handle the rest. This action will initiate the process of downloading and applying the latest version of WooCommerce to your website. Sit back and let WordPress do its thing. The update process typically proceeds smoothly and rather swiftly. While updating, it's important to remember that your site might experience a brief downtime. This usually depends on the scope and size of the update, but it's usually minimal. If your store is particularly busy, you might want to consider scheduling updates for off-peak times to minimize any potential impact on your customers. After updating WooCommerce, it's good practice to check through your store to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Take a quick tour of your website, testing key features and checkout processes to confirm that your recent update hasn't caused any disruptions. If you encounter any issues, visit the WooCommerce support forums or consult with your web developer for assistance. And that's pretty much it. Updating WooCommerce is a straightforward process, but it's an important one in keeping your e-commerce site running smoothly and securely. Regular updates not only offer new features and functionalities, but also essential security patches that protect your site and customer data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on managing your WooCommerce store. Happy selling!